Hey, William here. So, I had an issue with my right AirPod. It wasn't working for, I don't know, about a day now or so. And, like the left one was working. I put them in the case, and the left one was charging, but the right one was not working. The case was not recognizing it, wasn't charging it. Uh, and it was getting a little frustrating because I use my AirPods daily, and it just wouldn't work. It wouldn't even show up when when you open the lid and it shows up on your iPhone. It wouldn't even show up on there. So I'd like disconnect it from Bluetooth, repair it, etc. And I'd put the right AirPod in there, the left AirPod, and the light would like flash green instead of being a solid green. And up until a few minutes ago, it was doing that, and it was kind of frustrating because I was thinking, oh great, I'm gonna have to spend like over $200 on a new set of AirPods. And so I phoned Apple support even, and they were willing to send me out a new right AirPod only. And I'm in Canada, so that would have been about $119 all in Canadian funds. So for $219, I can get a whole new set. So I was thinking, okay, well, I'll get a whole new set then, $219. And that kind of sucks. But I was thinking, okay, well, the AirPods are almost 2 years old, so they got tiny little batteries in there, so it's probably fried, it's probably shot. But until a few minutes ago, what I did was I took some rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip, dipped it in the rubbing alcohol, put it down into the case, and I just twisted it down at the bottom in the AirPod holes to clean it up, because it looked like there's a little bit of dust or dirt or something like that in there. So I cleaned them up in there. They look like pristine now. And I don't know if you can see on that Q-tip. Kind of hard to tell in the video probably, but like this one's clean. This side hasn't been used. This is the side I used to clean it. I don't know if you can see the dirt on there, but it's pretty dirty, so that's good to know. I cleaned them up. I dropped the AirPods back in, and pop, it showed, like when I opened my lid with them in there, it showed back up on my iPhone. So other people have posted videos on YouTube about, okay, if one of your AirPods is not pairing or connecting with your iPhone, you want to clean them up. First things first, clean it up. So I didn't do that. And I just assumed that, okay, it's crapped out, it's 2 years and the battery's shot or something like that, and it's done. But it's not. I throw them. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I throw the AirPods into the case, and it shows that it's charging now, and the light is not flashing. Like, I don't know if you can see that light there, but it's actually charging both AirPods now, whereas before it was just charging the left one. The right one wasn't recognizing it. The right one wouldn't work on my iPhone, even though it has battery power in it. It just, because I guess it wasn't connecting in here because of the dirt, it wasn't recognizing that AirPod even existed, which was strange. But yeah, after cleaning it up with rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip, it's working great now again. And I'm coming up this December. It's August right now. I'm coming up this December on the 2-year mark since purchasing these puppies. So I don't know if this even was a review on AirPods, I would say, man, they are a quality product. Here I was thinking, oh, it's a piece of junk, like, But Apple makes really high quality products, you know, especially with all the junk out there in the market nowadays. You know, you can spend a lot of money on junk, but usually it's cheap stuff. You know, Apple tends to be a little more costly, expensive products, but you're getting a higher quality product out of the deal. So, in my opinion, I would highly recommend, if you're having issues with your AirPods not pairing, get some rubbing alcohol, throw it on the Q-tip first, clean inside them, clean the AirPods. You know, don't dismantle anything, but definitely clean up the case, clean the contacts. Um, Keep your AirPods clean and dry, and don't use water at all, because that could cause an issue. But in my experience, these puppies, even though they're a little more costly, they are a premium quality product, and I would highly recommend them. And yeah, I don't know if you're having issues with them pairing. I hope this video helped you with that, because I've watched other videos and I'm like, oh, none of it's working. You know, you disconnect, you reconnect them to your Bluetooth, and it still wouldn't work. But then if you just clean it, that might be it. So yeah, I hope this helped. Give me a thumbs up or not, whatever, thumbs down if you liked my sucky video. And yeah, share a comment. Thanks for watching.